Here we have the 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This one comes in the Denali trim. The paint color is Summit White, and the interior is perforated jet black leather. And the powertrain on this one consists of a 6.6 liter turbocharged Duramax diesel engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. There's that signature Denali grille there. You have LED headlamps and daytime running lights along with fog lights. And down here you have your 20-inch Denali aluminum wheels. There's that bed liner there. You have passive keyless entry on all 4 doors. And here you have the controls for your power door locks, windows, mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors with blind spot monitoring. And then you also have memory seatings for 2 passengers. You have a Bose sound system. And over here you have your controls for your 4-wheel drive, your headlamps, heads-up display over there, and your electronic parking brake. And then the controls for your power driver seat with power lumbar support. And I have the seat pretty far back, and I still have plenty of room back here to sit for long road trips and things of that nature. So you can fit a full-size crew in here, no problem. And then over here, there are the controls for your 3-stage heated seats. And you also have a USB-C and a USB charging port here, along with a 12-volt outlet. And you also have 2 AC vents here. But there's a view of the front from back here. And you have 2 cup holders here, and then your passengers can also stick a small phone or keys in here if they want to. Up here you have your lights here. And then you have a hanger on either side for shirts. There's that rear end there. So let's check out the power tailgate. There's that. And if you want to, you can also put it all the way down, and then you can step up, no problem. And there's your power passenger seat with power lumbar support. Let's check out that 6.6 liter. It is a 6.6 liter Duramax engine. So here you have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And over here you have a navigation system. You have AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. You also have backup camera, front camera, and you have plenty of other views as well, including curbside. But you also have a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for 2021. And down here, you have your controls for your dual zone automatic climate control. And you have 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And then you can control your exhaust brake, lane departure, parking sensors, a bunch of other features from down here. And then you have a wireless charging port, trailer brake controller, 3-prong household plug-in, USB ports. And as part of your Denali Ultimate package, you get this rear camera mirror and the power sunroof. You also get the heads-up display too. Let's check out what's in the center here. So you got tons of space there. You can put a tray in there if you want to. Then you have additional USB ports and aux input, and then an SD card reader for your navigation system. And then you also have your power sliding rear window. And then you have one cubby up there, and then below you have your glove compartment with your owner's manual. And over here you have your cruise controls, forward collision, gap adjust, and then you have your Bluetooth controls here, and you can adjust your gauge cluster with the right side over here. And then behind the steering wheel on the right side, you have your volume controls. And then behind the steering on the left side, you have your track list and radio station controls. Your wipers, turn on your auto high beams here. And then you have your shifter. You just pull down, reverse, neutral, drive, low. And then you can shift on the fly here. Let's see if we can get a good glimpse of that heads-up display. There's that. And there's your push-button start. And there's your key fob. So next it's time to take this 2500 HD Denali out on the road for a test drive. And so far the 10-speed automatic has been shifting very smoothly. And I really like the brakes too, really good for this size truck. You're able to step down without having to plant your foot all the way in it. But coming down the interstate at 75, we're getting right at 16 miles to the gallon on the highway. And then here at 70, we're getting 18. And coming down on the flat surface, we're getting right at 22, so pretty average numbers. But a very good ride for this truck, with it being a heavy duty. Of course, the bumps are a little bit shaky with such a huge vehicle, but just coasting down the freeway, very nice. Just gonna give it a little throttle here. Really good turbo boost. But that's going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali.